Spotify already uses a lot of AI for things, and now it's letting paid users control the app with their voice as well. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech hub. You can now create playlists, learn about songs, or explore their listening history by your voice or text command on Spotify. The company wrote, by typing or speaking directly in the app, you can have a back-and-forth conversation to choose what's playing, learn about the music you love, revisit your listening history, and go deeper on podcasts and audiobooks, all without leaving Spotify. The new feature works from within the home or now playing views on mobile. From the Talk to Spotify feature, you can command it to play the artist you haven't heard before, then fine-tune it by saying, add some Bad Bunny or make it more upbeat. When you hear a song you like, you can ask it to do things like, save this song, add this to my queue, or follow this artist. From now playing, you can also learn more about a song or artist. For instance, you can ask it questions like, when was this album released? Or what genre is this? Talk to Spotify will answer your questions and steer you to related artists or stories. It also works with podcasts and audiobooks, letting you learn more about a podcast guest or author. The feature can even tell you about your own taste and history with questions like, when did I first listen to this song? Or what genres have I been recently into? To use Talk to Spotify, simply press the mic button in the search field to talk, or simply just type commands. It's now rolling out gradually in beta to premium users who are 18 or older in the US, Ireland, and Sweden across iOS and Android devices in English. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.